Caliagua, Disney's Cotino Lagoon. The Cotino Lagoon in Rancho Mirage is a 24-acre crystalline water feature that is the first of its kind in California. Developed as the centerpiece of Disney's inaugural story-living community, Cotino, the lagoon provides a resort-style recreation zone in the desert. Caliagua is subcontracted to deliver the underground and process piping systems that enable the lagoon's operation. The company installed over 30,000 linear feet of piping to connect the lagoon to its treatment facilities, along with more than 300 valves for sectional control and system flexibility. By providing the backbone systems that support the lagoon, Caliagua played a key role in transforming Disney's ambitious vision into a reality. The project sets a precedent for how sustainable large-scale water features can become a social and visual part of master plan developments. NorCal Pipeline Services. Lower Park AV Sections Neighborhood Utility Improvement Project. NorCal Pipeline Services restored reliability to the A&B Sections Neighborhood Sewer System in Rowan Park, protecting hundreds of residents and the environment through a turnkey rehabilitation project for the city. Collaboration and innovation were key to the project's success. NorCal Pipeline held AV coordination meetings with project participants to identify challenges early and build trust. They also conducted daily meetings to align crews and took other measures to reduce fuel, streamline the schedule, and improve responsiveness. The company implemented innovative trenchless CIDP technology to provide a structurally sound house without disruptive excavation, and employed other measures to effectively deliver this project that finished with zero lost time incidents. The end result is a watertight, long-lasting system that reduces treatment volumes while safeguarding the environment. Royal Electric Company, California Firefighters Memorial Expansion. The expansion of the California Firefighters Memorial Capital Park in downtown Sacramento honors the state's fallen firefighters, providing space for the public to meet the names of those who have sacrificed their lives as first responders. The electrical portion of this design build project was critical to meeting the vision. Although Royal Electric was brought on after the overall project design was well established, the electrical scope was relatively unvetted. The company leveraged its expertise to fully design the electrical with the design build system, carefully integrating the electrical scope into the granite slabs and concrete that had already been designed to meet tolerances. Royal Electric developed solutions and collaborated with team members to ensure the electrical scope was completed ahead of schedule, delivering high-quality work on a highly constrained and complex site. Trademark Conference Systems, California Firefighters Memorial Expansion. The California Firefighters Memorial Expansion is needed to accommodate the honor of sacrifices and traditional names of fallen firefighters that will be added over the next 150 years. The project included reconfigured landscape, next walkways, modernized irrigation and stormwater system, upgraded lighting, and built. The original stone specified for the hardscape had to be cut due to budget constraints. Trademark Concrete Systems devised an innovative solution that blended a white custom mix using white sands to match the original stone's aesthetic. This approach not only saved the budget, but also maintained the integrity of the original design. Trademark Concrete Systems' cost-effective solution set a new standard for hardscape work in the Delta Sierra region, ensuring that the memorial expansion provides a dignified space for remembrance and reflection for years to come.
And the winner of the specialty $10 million and under instructor award goes to Caliagua.
Welcome to the stage, Mary Titan.